What's up, everybody? Happy Cinco de Mayo from Corpus Christi, Texas. I just wanted to give everyone a quick little update on the lawn. It's about a week after I did the Scott's TurfBuilder, and the lawn is looking nice. All right, so in the front lawn, you can see I've got stolons reaching out across the sidewalk. I've also got nice dark green color going on. The sun hasn't quite peeked over our house yet, so you're not really getting to see the full effect, but you can kind of tell there's a nice dark green color in the lawn. However, I did find I have a spot over here. It was turning yellow last week. I investigated a little bit, decided to pull up some grass. It's gotten some fungus, so I went ahead and I pulled out the diseased grass area, basically anything that was weak, loose, not really attached to the ground. And I do have some wild Bermuda that's come through in this spot too, so gonna have to take care of this. But nothing is ever perfect, guys. That's the one thing you need to learn about your lawn care. Nothing is ever perfect. You just take what you got, do your best with it, make adjustments as you can. It's gonna be an easy fix though. It's almost a perfect sod square. So I'm just gonna go get some more dirt, fill in, replace it with a new piece of sod. It'll be fine. And then over here in the front, it's looking good. Look at that color. Color's really popping. And I did get a new cover onto the boat, onto the sailboat. We will have some video, excuse me, of the sailboat this summer, working on it probably. So if you like sailboats or you're interested, stay tuned, keep watching my channel, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna do some videos on it. All right, so now we're in the backyard. It's looking nice and thick, dark green for the most part. But I did want to give you guys another update as well. I did some trimmings. I trimmed my rosemary there in the front yard and my ixoras, and I put them in some water probably 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago. I'll have to go check my lawn journal, but I think it was 2 weeks ago. And I'm trying to get them to root. And some of them are starting to, some of them are just kind of But I also have rooting powder that I can use, but I'd rather try just straight up water at first. So I'm gonna try to propagate and get some more rosemary and ixoras growing. And then from there, I'm thinking about doing another couple series of videos on plants. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you're watching the channel. Stay tuned for more stuff coming out. All right guys, so here's that spot where I dug up the concrete. Y'all can go check that video out. I've got some grass coming in. Some St. Augustine spreading in, trying to fill in. I wasn't able to get any sod whenever I was working on this because everyone was out. But I could probably get some now. But it's filling in, it's going good, it's leveling out. This area is coming in, getting darker. It's recovering, it's filling out. I did not put any TurfBuilder over here because of the fungus issues that I had. So I stayed away from this section whenever I spread my fertilizer last week. But everything else is looking really nice. It's thickening up. I mean, you can hear me walking. It's thick. So, like I said earlier, later this afternoon, I'm gonna come through, get a nice, good mow. Nice weed-eating edge, it needs it bad. I didn't get to mow this week during the weeknight lawn work because I had playoff games to work, so no weeknight lawn work for me this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more stuff coming out this summer. I've got lots of plans for videos on plants, videos on propagating, maybe a couple of other videos as well going along the plant lines, such as bonsai, maybe. I've also got some plans for fishing and sailboat work and fiberglass repair, different things like that. So if any of that type of stuff interests you, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tap that like button, and make sure you follow me on Twitter or Instagram at DonsLawns1. As always, guys, stay tuned and I'll see you next time.